Hello everyone and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk and this is tip number 372, WAF without CDN. The Web Application Firewall feature in Power Pages has been around for a few years already, but it was always dependent on having the Content Delivery Network feature enabled. Microsoft recently removed this dependency. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. While the Content Delivery Network, or CDN, feature of Power Pages is great, there are certain cases where an organization may choose not to enable it. The big one is related to compliance. A CDN means your content is stored on servers around the globe. This may go against the policy for some organizations. In that case, those organizations could not leverage the Web Application Firewall feature that exists out of the box, and they would have been forced to set up their own if they wanted that protection. Now, that restriction is gone. You can go ahead and enable the WAF without CDN. Also included in this update is that the WAF is automatically enabled when converting trial sites to production. You can opt out during the conversion process if you want, but this change better aligns with the principle of security by default. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 372 on WAF without CDN useful.